In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a custom chip bag wrapper in Canva. We'll start right inside Canva. Open Canva in your browser and head to the search bar at the top. Type chip bag or snack bag and press enter. You'll see ready-made layouts built for snack wrappers. Pick a style that matches your theme and open it. If nothing shows up in search, no problem. Create a new design using US letter. That's 8.5 by 11 inches. A blank page works perfectly for this project. Next, set up the layout so everything fits exactly where it should. Divide the page into 3 even panels from left to right. The center panel will be your front design, the right panel will be the back design, and the left panel is where the nutrition style information and barcode will go. To keep things tidy, it helps to add light guide shapes or faint lines so you can clearly see each panel boundary while you design. Equal panel widths make folding and alignment simple later, and they make sure your artwork ends up on the correct side. Now bring your idea to life by adding graphics. Start with a background that spans the page, such as a color, gradient, or pattern that fits the theme. Layer in characters or decorative elements on top. Add the name and age you want to highlight on the front panel, along with a short theme line or event text. Keep readability in mind. Use high contrast colors, avoid tiny fonts, and center the most important details on the front panel. On the left panel, place your nutrition style box and barcode artwork. On the right panel, keep your design consistent, but remember that this area will sit on the back. Most importantly, make sure no design elements spill outside the panel borders. Keep logos, faces, and text safely inside their panels so they don't wrap onto a seam. When you're happy with the layout, it's time to export a crisp file. Click Share in the top right corner, choose Download, and select PDF Print for best quality. This format preserves sharp text and clean images, which is ideal for professional-looking results. Save your file to a familiar folder so you can find it quickly for review or printing. And that's it. You opened Canva, found or created the right canvas, organized the 3 panels, added your background, characters, name, age, and theme text, kept everything inside the borders, and exported a high-quality PDF print.